Looking for the most trending Turkish series of 2024? From powerful love stories to revenge-filled mysteries, these dramas are winning hearts and ruling the screens. Let's dive straight into the list of must-watch Turkish series. 10. Windy Hilp Rüzgar Tepe. The story of this drama revolves around Hazar, a young man whose world is turned upside down after his father is wrongfully imprisoned. Determined to take revenge, Hazar returns to the town where it all began. As he confronts the powerful Arkan family responsible for his family's downfall, secrets begin to unfold. To see if Hazar finds justice or loses himself in revenge, don't miss this drama. 9. Golden Boy Yal Cap. It all begins when Halil A, head of a wealthy family, decides to marry off his reckless grandson Ferit. Initially, the bride is to be Suna, but Ferit shockingly chooses her younger sister Seyran instead. This sparks chaos and jealousy, pulling Seyran into a dangerous web of secrets and family power games. To find out how Seyran navigates this tangled world, watch this gripping story. 8. A Knight's Tale Bir Jees Masal. This tale kicks off with Mahi, who returns to the city as a police commissioner, determined to uncover who killed his father. But fate takes a romantic turn when he meets a mysterious girl he names Fairy. As he prepares for justice, he has no idea that her world is more connected to his past than he thinks. To discover what happens on that magical night, follow this emotional journey. 7. Black Heart Syakal. The plot centers on Sumru, a woman who once abandoned her twin children and now returns into their lives as the wife of a powerful businessman. Her children, Melik and Noor, accidentally enter her world again, and the lives of Chehen and Samet's influential family. Love, secrets, and heartbreak collide in this intense drama. To uncover how these long-lost bonds change the future, tune into this series. 6. Dirty Laundry Kili Sepeti. Set in a wealthy neighborhood, this series tells the story of housemaids who witness the dark secrets of the elite. When one of them, Miriam, mysteriously falls to her death, the others begin to seek the truth. What they uncover shakes the foundation of the family they serve. To follow this gripping tale of justice and survival, don't miss this show. 5. Leela. Leela's life was shattered when her stepmother abandoned her as a child. Now, years later, she returns, hardened by pain and determined to seek revenge. But her plan takes an unexpected turn when she discovers her former stepmother is connected to the man she once loved. To see how love and revenge clash, watch Leela's powerful journey. 4. Wild Heart Yabani. Yaman has always taken care of his siblings, suppressing his own pain and dreams. Just when he thinks life will get easier, a tragic incident forces him to face dark family secrets. Meanwhile, Ailes and ACI struggle with broken love and betrayal, adding layers to this emotional saga. To learn how these characters find hope in chaos, this drama is a must-watch. 3. Redbud's KZL Gonkela. This powerful story is based on Miriam, a mother trapped in an oppressive religious sect, fighting to protect her daughter from the same fate. With the help of a secular doctor and her former sister-in-law, she risks everything to escape. But danger grows as their worlds collide. To see if Miriam breaks free or is pulled back in, start watching this intense drama. 2. Genius Deha. Dehen, a mathematical genius, is ready to leave for the US with his childhood love Esma. But his estranged father, Iskender, returns and throws his plans into chaos. As Dehen protects his younger brother from their father's influence, he must choose between his future and his family. To find out which path Dehen takes, Don't skip this gripping tale. 1. Boundless Love Hududsiz Sevda. Season 2 opens with Zeynep and Halil Ibrahim headed for divorce, yet their hearts still beat for each other. Just when things couldn't get more complicated, Halil is shot. As he recovers, new enemies arise, and Zeynep's emotions spiral. Old wounds resurface, challenging their love like never before. To witness whether love can survive past scars, follow this emotional roller coaster. Which of these Turkish series are you planning to watch first? Let us know in the comments below. Like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Drama Notion for more drama-filled recommendations. See you in the next video.